Years ago, I owned a ceramic shop called Ceramic Creations, and this is one of the pieces that I had poured. And I had broke it into quite a few pieces, and I repaired it. Right now, you can't even tell it ever was broke. On the inside, can't even tell. You have to really, really look. Which if I zoomed in with this, I could. Yeah, you can see it. Yep, on the inside, right there. Other than that, you won't be able to tell at all. I wanted to mention that the process I'm going to use on this is a technique called dry brushing. So just I have quite a few brushes available. A little tiny bit of water just to clean the acrylic out of your brush. Just use any old top of a container, and just an old rag you can throw away. And my tons of paints. There's all my acrylics. It's a mess, I know.